Hatteker's 5-in-1 men's trimmer kit was suggested by medium strategist Shekul Shores. He told us he loves this trimming kit from newer grooming brand Hatteker. It came with what felt like 15 components, he says, and it has a great motor compared to the Panasonic I was using before. Technically meant to be used all over, Cherish says he mostly uses this trimmer to keep the edges of his beard in good shape between barbershop visits. Hatteker claims the product is fully waterproof and, in addition to cleaning its blades, encourages users to soak the beard trimmer itself under a faucet between uses. Cherish, for words its oath, tells us he hasn't tried this yet. At Amazon, Hatteker 5-in-1 men's trimmer kit is $38 only. It's cordless and waterproof. It has battery life of 60 minutes. Self-sharpening blades are there and 13 attachments for beard, mustache, hair, body, ear and nose. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, feel free to share it with your friends and keep watching Best Buy to get your top-notch day-to-day commodities.